Hello beautiful people, my name is Joyce and today we've remembered those among us who want to get rid of dark knuckles, dark knees, dark what else, inner thighs and everything. In general, whatever I'm going to show you actually can be used for skin lightening. It's a natural remedy, one ingredient remedy, and the purpose of this video is just to show you how to actually use it. So you need a bowl, a cup or a container, anything you can use comfortably the way I'll show you. You need a sieve, this should do for me, and you need a grater to grate the potato with. So I'm going to quickly take you through what to do. Just start by peeling the potato first, and my potato is clean. Make sure you clean yours, or if you don't clean before you peel, after you peel you'll have to clean it, okay, so that you don't get your skin infected with things that we don't have any names for. So my potato is already peeled. The next thing I'm going to do is to grate the potato on top of the sieve. I want to drain the liquid, and I don't want to go through the trouble of mixing them together first, so I'll do it directly, grate it on top of the sieve as I collect the liquid. And actually the liquid is what we are going to need for everything we are doing. So guys, just to mention, this video is actually not encouraging skin bleaching. This is just for those of us who are prone to a lot of things. Sometimes the weather, sometimes the kind of work you do get your skin hardened and darker than the rest of the body, and people could become judgmental, thinking that maybe you're bleaching yourself when you're not, and maybe you're just trying to find a cure or a solution for whatever that area is. This is a very, very cheap way of getting your skin even. You don't need all those chemicals on your skin. This is just an Irish potato. Grate it well, collect the liquid and apply on that area. Also, I noted that I could actually sleep with mine overnight and I didn't see any side effects. I'm not a doctor, so I won't say that's like good or bad, but I just know that while I was doing this, mine was staying on overnight. I would grate this potato at night and then apply on the area that I needed to, and then leave it overnight. In the morning I go to shower as I take everything off. So guys, I'm done grating the potato. You should see the liquid, looks so good. And let me just show you, this is how it should look like. So you can use your hands directly, you can use a cloth, anything, just apply it well on the area. Make sure you leave it to dry, and then if you're sleeping you can sleep with it. If you're scared of what could happen, you can leave it for like 20 minutes or whatever time you feel comfortable with. I actually don't know the right time you should leave it on. And then you wash it off with water.